The EV industry is cutting jobs. This week alone, 3 auto manufacturers are in the spotlight. Starting with Lucid Motors. Founded in 2007, the luxury EV maker has never turned a profit. The company lost $2.7 billion in 2025 on revenue of $1.35 billion. This week, newly appointed CEO Silvio Napoli announced an 18% workforce reduction, which is roughly 1,500 employees, contractors, and production workers. That's on top of a 12% cut in workforce that happened in February. Combined, Lucid has eliminated roughly 2,500 jobs in 5 months. The cuts are expected to save approximately $158 million annually. This happened despite Lucid recently announcing a partnership with Uber, where some of their EVs will be used for autonomous rideshare. Then there's Rivian. Founded in 2009, the company lost $3.6 billion in 2025 and has never posted a full year of profit. In Q1 2026, its automotive segment lost around $6,000 for every vehicle it sold. This week, just 1 week after launching its highly anticipated R2 SUV, Rivian cut less than 2% of its workforce, roughly 300 people, primarily in sales, service, and customer teams. This follows 600 layoffs in October, tied to the removal of the federal EV tax credit. The R2 puts a more affordable vehicle in Rivian's lineup, and one they hope can drive more sales. Volkswagen is a different scale. In October 2024, VW announced it was considering closing plants in Germany for the first time in its 87-year history. They cut a deal with the unions. No forced closings, but 35,000 jobs were to be gone by 2030. Then, 3 months ago, their profits dropped 53%, and they added another 15,000 cuts on top of that, totaling 50,000 jobs by 2030. The culprits: tariffs, Chinese competition, and a costly EV transition that hasn't delivered the returns they projected. One thread that does connect Lucid and Rivian: both companies sell direct to consumers, bypassing the traditional dealership network entirely. They are hoping new strategic direction can shift the previous trajectory. The EV transition is still in its early chapters. The infrastructure is building, the technology is improving, and when it matures, EVs will be a major part of the vehicles sitting in dealerships across the country and being financed. In the meantime, all of these job losses aren't just numbers. We wish all of the people affected well. This is Auto Finance Pulse. Subscribe and stay current.